Important company update. We're excited to share innovative ways to leverage ChatGPT for income generation. This update matters because it empowers you to utilize AI effectively. By incorporating ChatGPT, you can enhance your professional offerings, increase your earning potential, and diversify your skills. Here are 3 key points about this announcement. First, you can provide freelancing services using ChatGPT. This includes content writing, copywriting, and social media management. Second, starting a blog or website allows you to monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Third, consider using ChatGPT for creating engaging YouTube and social media content. This opens up monetization opportunities through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Here are the necessary action steps for you. Explore freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to get started. If you enjoy writing, start a blog in your favorite niche. Consider launching a YouTube channel using scripts generated by ChatGPT. To summarize, leverage ChatGPT for freelancing, blogging, and content creation. This can significantly enhance your income potential. Remember, our company values innovation, creativity, and education. Let's embrace these opportunities together. Thank you for your attention. Tutoring or educational help. Help students with homework, writing, and research using ChatGPT. Offer one-on-one or group tutoring sessions online. Pushpin use platforms like Preply, Superpriv, or create your own course on Udemy. Business support services. Assist small businesses effectively. Craft business plans. Write detailed product descriptions. Compose client emails. Create engaging marketing content. Oversee social media posts. Bullseye ChatGPT can accomplish this efficiently and on a large scale, enabling you to assist numerous clients. Affiliate marketing using AI tools. Market ChatGPT related tools, such as AI video editors and prompt marketplaces. Earn a commission when users sign up or make a purchase. Hammer and wrench tip: leverage ChatGPT to produce product reviews or tutorials. Share these on blogs, YouTube, or social media. Graphic or video script assistance. Combine ChatGPT with Canva, Midjourney, or any video editor. Develop YouTube video scripts. Generate Instagram captions. Aid in planning TikTok or short-form content. Brain final tip: to maximize your earnings, merge ChatGPT with a skill you possess or are learning: writing, marketing, teaching, coding, or design, and provide a service or product that addresses a specific need. Looking for a business idea that aligns with your interests or skills? I can help you brainstorm one.